Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Bhagyashree Maths Classes. In this video, we will know about the trapezium and also solve some questions based on the area of trapezium. So, what is trapezium? So, trapezium is a quadrilateral in which we have one pair of opposite sides will be parallel and other sides will be non-parallel sides. Right? So, here this is the trapezium. A, B, C, D. So if we look this trapezium, so we can easily find that AB and CD are here parallel lines, right? So what are the parallel lines? Parallel lines are the lines which never meet at any point, right? Suppose these are two lines. Now if I extend these two lines, so they will never meet at any point. So these lines are called parallel lines. So in the trapezium we have one pair of opposite sides are parallel. अगर मैं इन्हें extend भी करती हूँ तो वो किसी point पे जाकर meet नहीं करेंगी, right? Now other sides are the non-parallel sides. Non-parallel sides are what? The lines that will meet at a point somewhere, right? So suppose now these pair of sides are non-parallel lines here. So if I extend these lines, so they will meet at any point. They will meet at any point somewhere, right? So it means what is a trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which we have one pair of opposite sides will be parallel and other will be non-parallel sides. Now see what we call these parallel. So according to this diagram we can say that AB is parallel to CD and AD and BC are non-parallel sides, right? Now see, to the parallel sides we also call them bases, right? So it means we can call AB and CD as bases, right? So जो parallel sides होंगी उन्हें हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Base बोल सकते हैं, bases, right? And non-parallel sides जो होंगी we call them as legs, right? नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स को हम लेग्स भी बोलते हैं और पैरेलल साइड्स को हम बेस बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट इज अबाउट द ट्रेपेजियम, इट्स द हाइट. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द हाइट ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम? द परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम वर्टेक्स टू इट्स बेस is the height of the trapezium, right? So here I am drawing the perpendicular from vertex D and from vertex C on base AB. So this is your base. Parallel side को base बोलते हैं. So perpendicular draw करना vertex से base पे, that is the height, right? So it means if I name it as O and at this point as P, so we can say DO and CP are the heights in this trapezium, right? Now other important thing that is your special case of trapezium, that is the isosceles trapezium. Okay, so see in isosceles trapezium what we have, the non-parallel sides will be equal there. So in isosceles trapezium we have these non-parallel sides will be equal. Suppose अगर ये 10 सेंटीमीटर है तो ये भी 10 सेंटीमीटर होगी. So this is the isosceles trapezium. Okay, now move on to the area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is what? Area of trapezium is 1/2 sum of parallel side multiplied by its height. So I am writing the formula to find area of trapezium. It will be 1/2 sum of parallel side multiply with its height, right? So this is the formula to find area of trapezium. So suppose this AB is given 12 centimeter, this AB is given 12 centimeter, and if this is 10 centimeter and height you have given 4 centimeter. So what will be the area of this trapezium ABCD? It will be 1/2 sum of parallel side. It means 12 plus 10. So this will be 12 plus 10 is 22. multiply with its height. So that is your 4. So you can simplify. So it means 44 centimeters square will be the area of trapezium here, right? Now we will do some questions which are based on the area of trapezium. So in the first two questions I have taken from the NCERT class 8 book, chapter number 11, mensuration, right? So in the first question, what we have given, the area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of parallel side is 10 centimeter and height you have given 4 centimeter. You have to find the other parallel side. As we know that in the trapezium we have a pair of parallel side. So what will you do? You will first of all you will write all the information what you have given. Okay, so you have given the area of trapezium, that is your 34 centimeter square, right? And you have given one parallel side. We can name it as B1 because we call parallel sides as base. So B1 is 10 centimeter, right? And height you have given 4 centimeter. What you have to find? B2 find करना है. It means second parallel side find करनी है. So what we will do? We will simply write the area of trapezium and put all the given values in the formula. So area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 B1 plus B2. B1 and B2 are the parallel side, the sum of parallel side, multiply by its height. Now put the values. Area of trapezium कितना given है? You have 34. So write below the area of trapezium 34 centimeter. This is 1 by 2. B1 is 10 centimeter. B2 you have to find and multiply with its height, that is 4 centimeter, right? So now you can simplify this. See, this 2 is in division. So there are two ways. Either you can take this to this side, so it will go in multiplication, or you will simply divide this 4 by 2, right? But you cannot divide this 10 by 2, okay? So this is, I am doing, this is 2 times it will go. So here it will be 34. This is 10 plus B2, ये 1 हो गया है. So this is multiplied by 2. Now I am taking this to this side. So here it is in multiplication. Then it will go in next side. So it will go in division. So this is 10 plus B2. Now you will divide this. So it will be 17. Now, so 17. Now this 10 is in plus with B2. When it will go this side, so it will be in minus. So this implies B2 is 7 centimeter, right? So this you have to find what is the other parallel sides. The value of other parallel side will be 7 centimeter, right? Now move on to the second question. In the second question, you have given that this is the field which is of trapezium shape, जिसके dimensions आपको given है that AD is equal to 40, DC 17 and 48 is of BC. You have to find the area of trapezium, right? और क्या information given है आपको? That length of fence of trapezium shape field is 120 meter. So now 120 meter is what? See, whenever we talk about the fencing, ठीक है, कि किसी चीज की fencing mention है आपको. So see, this is your field. Fencing is what? Fencing is like कि आप चारों तरफ उस field के चारों तरफ कुछ फेंसिंग कर रहे हो, लाइक रॉड लगा रहे हो या उसके चारों तरफ कुछ ऐसा कुछ भी ऐसा रॉड से या किसी चीज से आप उसको फेंस कर रहे हो, ठीक है? सो दिस इज द फेंसिंग. तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज व्हाट? इट इज द पेरीमीटर. बिकॉज व्हाट इज पेरीमीटर? पेरीमीटर इज द सम ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ एनी ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप और एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है? तो ये जितना इसमें रॉड लगा है, जितना इसमें आपकी फेंसिंग हुई है, वो कैसे पता चलेगा? कि जितना लेंथ है इसका फील्ड का, उनको ऐड कर लेंगे, सो दैट विल बी द फेंसिंग, ठीक है? सो हियर दैट इज 120 मीटर, ठीक है? तो इट मीन्स व्हाट इज दिस 120? दिस इज द पेरीमीटर, ओके? सो इट मीन्स हियर वी हैव गिवन द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ABCD. ABCD is your trapezium shaped field. So this you have given 120 meter, right? Now we know what is the perimeter of trapezium, the sum of sides. Okay, so here AD plus DC plus BC plus AB. So we can write here AD plus CD plus BC plus AB. So this will be equal to 120 meter. Now put the values what you have given. AD आपको 40 given है, CD is 17, BC you have 48 and AB you have to find, right? Now add these value, three values, so it will be 105 plus AB, this is equal to 120. So AB will be 120 minus 105, it will be 15 meter, right? So 15 meter is the AB. Now see, in the question you have given that AB is perpendicular on BC, and we know that the perpendicular drawn on its base is the height of trapezium. So it means this AB will be the height of this trapezium ABCD, and we have to find the area of trapezium. To find out the area of trapezium, we need parallel sides, sum of parallel sides and height. Parallel sides we have given because these two will be the parallel side, that is your BC and AD. ये आपको given है, आपने AB find कर ली है, so that is your height. So you will simply put all the values in the formula of area of trapezium. So area of trapezium will be 1/2 B1 plus B2 multiply by height. So you can find it 1/2. B1 and B2 are the parallel sides. 48 plus 40 multiply by height आपने find करिए, that is 15. So 1/2, this is your 48 plus 40 is 88 multiply by 15. So you can solve this, it will be 44. 44 multiply by 15 you can do. So it is 660 meter square. It means area of trapezium shaped field ABCD will be 660 meter square, right? Now move on to the last question, that is the third question. See, in the third question what you have given, that the parallel side of a trapezium are 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Its legs are 13 centimeter each. Find the area of trapezium, right? So first of all I will make the diagram, so it will be easy for you to understand. So this is a trapezium. यहाँ पे क्या given है आपको, जो parallel sides है वो given है. So these are the parallel side. I name it as A, B, C and D. Parallel side, this is your 20 centimeter and this is your 10 centimeter, right? Legs are what? I have told you in the starting that legs are the non-parallel sides, ठीक है? So वो आपको each मतलब they are equal. So this is 13 centimeter and 13 centimeter because the legs are equal and both are 13 centimeter each. So it means ये आपको given है. You have to find the area of trapezium. We know area of trapezium के लिए parallel sides चाहिए और height चाहिए. यहाँ पे parallel sides तो में given है, but we don't have given the height. So first of all what we will do, I will make the perpendicular from vertex D and C on its base AB, right? So here I am drawing the perpendicular from vertex D and from vertex C. That is your, I name it as P, it is as Q, right? Perpendicular draw किया है vertex से उसके base पे, ठीक है? Now see, हमें height, now these both heights will be same, right? Because चाहे मैं यहाँ से करूँ height आपकी same होगी, okay? So see, now यहाँ पे हमने perpendicular draw किया है दोनों vertex से, so these heights will be same. Now second thing is that हमें ये height पता लगानी है, ठीक है? Because parallel side हमें पता है, if we will find the height, so we will simply put the values into the formula. Now how we will find this height? See, first of all, to find this DP, we can see now this trapezium has been divided into three shapes. First is your rectangle, right? That is your DCQP, okay? And this is your two right angle triangles, okay? Now here see, as I have drawn the perpendicular from D and C, and this is your isosceles trapezium because the non-parallel sides or legs are equal. So because this is isosceles trapezium and this is the height, so this distance and this distance will be equal, right? It means AP will be equal to BQ, or we can write QB, okay? अब ये जो है that whole this, first of all write all the information what you have given. AB जो है that is 20 centimeter and CD आपको है 10 centimeter. तो ये जितनी height है that is PQ, right? ये जो है that will be equal to this DC, right? ये जो height है वो इसके equal है because it is like a rectangle. rectangle की opposite sides equal होती है. So it means यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का जो measure होगा वो होगा 10 centimeter. Okay. Now we know this hole is 20 centimeter and AP and BQ are equal. So it means if suppose this is X centimeter, so it will also be X centimeter, and we know X plus this will be 10 centimeter. X is equal to whole is 20 centimeter. ये पूरा आपका AB 20 centimeter है. So it means 2x plus 10 equal to 20 centimeter, right? So 2x will be 20 minus 10. So it is 10. So x will be 10 divided by 2. It means 5 centimeter. It means AP equals to BQ. That will be your 5 centimeter. Now you have calculated this AP, that is your 5 centimeter. Now see, now take this triangle, that is your triangle APD. This is a right angle triangle. You need to find the height. So here in triangle APD we will apply the Pythagoras theorem because this is a right angle triangle. So Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Right? Now this slant line will be your hypotenuse, so that is 13 centimeter square. Perpendicular is what? This is your height, right? This height will be the perpendicular. So this you will find, and AP, that is your base, आपने find किया है अभी 5 centimeter. So this is 5 square. Now 13 square is 169. X square, this is your 25. Keep h square here. Now this will go this side. So 169 minus 25. So it will be 144 is your h square. So h is under root 144. Okay. So this is your 12 centimeter. Height आ गई आपकी 12 centimeter. Now you can simply find the area of trapezium by putting values in the formula. Area of trapezium is 1/2 sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides क्या है? 20 and 10 centimeter, right? ये parallel side है. So this is your 20 plus 10. Height आपने कितनी निकाली है? That is your 12 centimeter. Now solve this. So this is 1/2. 20 plus 10 is 30. This is your 12. Now you can do. This is your 15. Okay. Now 15 into 12 you can do. So 15 into 12 is 180. 180 centimeter square, right? So in this way you can find when you have isosceles trapezium and you have given the legs and that are equal, so you can find it this way. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe the channel for more such video. Thank you.